Hey everyone, welcome to Heybike Station. I'm Freddie, and today we are unboxing the EC Compact City. Let's get started.
First, make sure the box is positioned with the arrows pointing up. Remove the straps, wrapping the box with a box cutter or scissors. Lift the box lid, then remove the bike and accessories box. Inside the box, there are some stickers, tools, the pedals, the headlights, and the charger with variant outlet ports for charging. Here's a look at all the items included with the EC Compact City. To install the front wheel, remove the protective shield from the front fork by loosening, then unscrewing the nuts on both sides. The bolts don't have to be completely removed, just enough so that the protective shield can be removed from the front fork. Remove the brake protection clip located around the hydraulic brakes on the front fork. Ensure the knob on the spacer that is between the bike frame and the front wheel axle nut is positioned downward before fully attaching the front wheel. Tighten the nuts into place. Installing the handlebar, use the hex tool to remove the 4 stem screws on the handlebar stem. Completely remove the cover before placing the handlebar. Place the handlebar approximately where you want it to be on the handlebar stem, and with one of the hex stem screws in the cover, begin tightening the handlebar stem cover. This is to help keep the handlebar in place. Adjust the handlebar to an appropriate position, then tighten the stem screws firmly. When installing the headlight, use the screwdriver to loosen one of the headlight screws. Place the headlight in an appropriate position on the handlebar, then tighten the screw. Adjust the headlight and tighten the screws if necessary. Match the color-coded 3-pinned cables, red with red, green with green. Align the arrows on each cable, then press them together to connect them. Do not twist the connector cables into place. Firmly connect the motor cable by ensuring the arrows are properly aligned and that the male cable is fully inserted into the female cable attached to the bike frame. Look for a line on the male cable where the 2 sides must meet. Tighten into place with the zip tie. Installing the front fender, remove the screw, 2 washers, and nut located at the front of the front fork. Remove the screws on both sides of the front fork. Align the top of the fender with the hole, then insert the screw and 1 washer on the front-facing side, along with the nut and second washer on the other. Then tighten into place. You will need to use an Allen wrench or hex screw and an open-ended wrench to tighten the screw and nut. Align both sides of the fender into the proper position, then tighten. Ensure the washer is on the outside of the fender ear and not in between the fender ear and front fork. To install the pedals, match the pedal with the appropriate sides of the bike. The left should be installed counterclockwise. Use a wrench to rotate the inner portion of the pedal. Do not install by rotating the actual pedal, as it will not be properly installed. Repeat this process for the right pedal, but rotating the pedal clockwise. To remove and attach the detachable battery, cut the zip tie attaching the batteries to the brake line. Insert the key on the left side of the bike and turn clockwise to unlock the battery. Gently turn the battery lever to the right, then pull down on the battery to remove it. You can press the blue button to check the battery status. To return the battery, place the bottom side in the housing first, then push the battery into place. To adjust the saddle, undo the quick release latch under the seat, then raise or lower to your desired height. Return the latch to lock the saddle into place. The LED tail light has multiple lighting options. Long press to turn on and short press to switch between the lighting options. Long press again to turn off the light. The tail light can be removed and charged via the USB-C cable. To return the tail light, ensure the slanted side of the tail light is situated so it is closest to the saddle, then press the tail light into the housing. Long press the power button to turn on the EC Compact City. Use the arrows to adjust various settings like pedal assist. Long press the up arrow to turn on and off the headlight. To charge the battery, remove the port plug, then insert the charger port. When charging, the charger LED light will turn red. Thanks for watching.